The Philippines' withdrawal from the International Criminal Court in 2019 sparked a fierce debate that continues to this day. Central to this debate is the question of jurisdiction. Can the ICC still investigate alleged crimes committed during the Duterte administration's war on drugs?
Welcome, everyone. We're here to discuss a complex and highly sensitive issue, the ICC's jurisdiction in the Philippines. Atty. Reyes, let's start with you.
Senator, the Philippines' withdrawal from the Rome Statute, the treaty that created the ICC, was effective on March 17, 2019. Under Article 127 of the statute, a state's withdrawal takes effect 1 year after notification. Therefore, the ICC has no jurisdiction over crimes committed after that date. Any investigation or prosecution is a violation of international law.
With respect, Atty. Reyes, that's a narrow interpretation. The ICC retains jurisdiction over crimes committed while the Philippines was a state party. The alleged crimes under investigation began well before March 2019. The ICC prosecutor's investigation is focused on the period when the Philippines was still a member. The ICC can and should continue its investigation.
But the principle of complementarity is also important. Our domestic courts are capable of handling these cases. We have our own justice system. The ICC is meant to be a court of last resort, not a primary investigator. The ICC is overreaching.
Complementarity only applies when domestic courts are genuinely investigating and prosecuting. In this case, there's a clear lack of effective action. There is a culture of impunity. The victims deserve justice, and the ICC is their only hope. The ICC is filling a void, not overreaching.
Professor, some argue that the ICC's investigation is politically motivated, an attempt to interfere with our sovereignty.
That's a convenient narrative. The ICC is an independent body mandated to investigate serious crimes. Its mandate is to provide justice. Sovereignty does not equate impunity. The victims have the right to justice. The ICC exists to fill a justice gap when domestic systems fail.
The Philippines has the right to manage its own affairs. Allowing the ICC to intervene undermines our national sovereignty and the integrity of our judicial system. This sets a dangerous precedent.
But what about the victims? What about the thousands of lives lost? Sovereignty is not a shield for those who commit crimes against humanity. If our own system fails, then an international body must step in. We are a part of a global community, and we must uphold human rights.
This is a complex legal and moral issue. The arguments on both sides are compelling. The debate about the ICC's jurisdiction in the Philippines highlights the tension between national sovereignty and the pursuit of international justice.
The debate rages on with no easy answers. The victims of the war on drugs continue to seek justice, while the legal and political battles over jurisdiction continue to unfold.
This is a matter that will continue to be debated, and the world is watching. We must all hope that justice will prevail.